So now we are going to start exercise 3B. Round off the following number to the nearest 10,000. Here is nearest lakh or 10 lakh and crores also. We already did this type of question in tens, hundred and thousand. So we have to follow the same rule. Okay. So see first 10,000. Round off nearest 10,000. So this is the number 38,962. To make the round of 10,000 place, we have to see the thousandth place, or just before the place value is 1000. Okay. See, 38,962 comes between 30,000 and 40. From where this 3 and 4 came, see this place value. Actually, we want to change here. So 30,000, this is 30,000, and here next 1000 will be 40,000. Okay. Now we have to check the value in thousands place. So if the number, you know, the digit in thousand place is 8, and which is more than 5. If it is more than 5, the rule will remain same as we did in the exercise 3A. So we have to go right hand side, means we have to round up 40,000. If it is less than 5, so we have to round up here. So this is the 8 and it is more than 5, so we have to round up this number to 40,000. See the another question. 71,863. So we will consider this one. One is less than 5. Okay. So see first here, 71,863 comes between 70 and 80,000. Okay. This is 7. So 70,000. The next number after 7 is 8. So 80,000. Okay. So we have to round up this, since it is a smaller. So we have to round up this number to 70,000. Now this we move left hand side. Okay. We will take one more example. More sum is 84,84,820. So 84,84,820 will come between. See, we are not going to make any change in lakh and 10 lakhs place, because we want to round up 10,000 place, not here. So it should not be disturbed. So it will be as usual. And in place of this 80,000, and here should be the 90. After 8 digit is 9. So 90,000. Okay. Now we will check the digit in thousand place. Okay. So the digit in thousand place is 4. And we know that 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, so we will go this side, obviously. Hence, 84,84,820 is rounded off to 84,80,000. Okay. Now the next is round off to nearest lakh. Okay, we want to round off lakh. So see, till here 10,000, this is lakh. So before lakh, which is the place value, is 10,000. So we have to consider the value of place value of 10,000. Now see here, 7,05,320. 7 lakh and next number will be 8 lakh, since we want to round off lakhs place. Okay. Now we will see. So digit in 10,000 place is 0, and you know that 0 is smaller than 5. So we have to move this side. Okay, left hand side. Then 7,05,321 rounded off to 7 lakh. Okay, 7 lakh. This is 7 lakh. Okay. Now see the another example. See here, this is thousand place and lakh and crore. 8 crore, 53 lakhs, 43,278. We know that we have to round off lakhs, so we have to change here. This 8 and 5 will never change, and we are not going to disturb anymore. Okay. See, this 3 lakh and here will be the 4. Okay. Only this change has to be done. 8 crore 53 lakh or 8 crore 50 4 lakh. So now we will consider the digit in 10,000 place. So 10,000 place digit is 4. Okay, so the digit in 10,000 place is 4, and you know that 4 is smaller than 5, so we have to consider which this 8 crore 53 lakh. Okay, hence 8 crore 53 lakh 43,278 is rounded off eight crore 53 lakh. Okay, see, round off to nearest 10 lakh. Now we have to round off to nearest 10 lakh, so we have to consider the value in lakhs place. Okay, see, this is the number, this is the thousand, and this is lakh, 10 lakh, 51 lakh 70,123. Since we have to make change in 10 lakhs, so this 51 lakh 70,123 comes between 60 lakh or 70 lakh. Okay, 60 lakh or 70 lakh. So we have to consider the value in lakhs place. So the digit in lakhs place is 1. Okay, and we know that 1 is smaller than 5, so we have to move this side. Okay, hence 51 lakh 70,123 is rounded off to 60 lakh. Okay, this is 60 lakh. Okay, see the another question. 3 crore 6 lakh 86,521. We have to make change here. Okay, so see, here is 3 crore or 31. Okay, we have to make in 10 lakhs place, so it will be 1. Here is 0, after 0 is 1, so 3 lakh or 3 crore or 3 crore 10 lakh. So we have to consider the digit in lakhs place is 6, which is more than 5. So we can write the digit in lakhs place. Okay, is 6, and 6 is more than 5, so we have to go here. Okay, right hand side. Hence 3 crore 6 lakh 86,521 is rounded off crore 10 lakh. Okay, see the next one, rounded off to nearest crore. So now we have to make change in crore, so we have to see the place value of 10 lakh. See, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In the 10 lakh place it is 4. So see, this 3 crore 47 lakh 83,692 falls between 3 crore and 4 crore. We have to make change here only, so it is 3, so next number will be 4. So we will consider here, this is less than this 4, no, this 4. Digit in 10 lakh place, okay, is 4, and 4 is smaller than 5, so we have to take this number. Okay, we have to round it off, which 3 crore 47 lakh 83,692 is rounded off to here. 3 crore. Okay, so here we are taking another example. So again, 92 crore 1,81,253. We know that we will see this. We have to make change here. Here is 2, so next number will be 3. So 92 crore or 93 crore. See the value in 10 lakh. Okay, so the digit in 10 lakh space is 0, and 0 is less than 5, so we have to consider this. Okay, hence 92 crore 1,81,253 is rounded off to this 92 crore. Okay, I hope you will understand this, how to round off the digit.